A very good afternoon to all the NEET PG aspirants 2023. We won't be taking too much time of yours. This is an important update about our app. That is, on the app, we have uploaded the NEET PG question papers from 2018, 19, 20, 21, as well as all India PG question papers starting from 2014, 15, 16, 17. So you all can have access to these questions. These questions are available in PPT forms as well as PDF forms, as well as they are with solution. A mock test, a practice paper with solution also has been uploaded on the website. And the good news is that you can easily access it, download it as well as you can easily access and download it, and it is absolutely free of cost. This is a small contribution. We are trying to help you in achieving your dreams. I wish you all the best. A very good day on 5th of March. I wish you all not only positive thoughts but a happy thoughts. God bless you all. Thank you.